Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about DSers, a popular dropshipping app for Shopify. But before we get into that, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to start an online store but didn't know where to start? If so, then DSers might be the perfect solution for you. DSers is a dropshipping app that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory. This means that you can start an online store with very little upfront investment. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DSers without Shopify. I'll also discuss the pros and cons of using DSers without Shopify. So, let's get started. What is DSers? DSers is a dropshipping app that allows you to connect your Shopify store to a number of different suppliers. This means that you can sell products from these suppliers without having to hold any inventory yourself. DSers offers a number of features that make it a popular choice for dropshippers. These features include automatic product updates, automatic order fulfillment, real-time shipping tracking, easy product import, and much more. How to use DSers without Shopify. DSers is primarily designed to be used with Shopify. However, you can also use DSers without Shopify. To do this, you will need to create a DSers account and then connect your DSers account to your online store. Once you have done this, you can start adding products to your store from DSers. Pros and cons of using DSers without Shopify. There are both pros and cons to using DSers without Shopify. Pros. DSers is free to use. DSers is easy to set up. DSers offers a wide variety of products. DSers provides real-time shipping tracking. DSers offers automatic order fulfillment. Cons. DSers does not offer as many features as the Shopify app. DSers can be slow at times. DSers does not have as many integrations as the Shopify app. DSers is a great option for those who want to start an online store without having to hold any inventory. However, there are some drawbacks to using DSers without Shopify. If you are considering using DSers without Shopify, I recommend that you weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. Additional tips. If you are using DSers without Shopify, I recommend that you use a separate domain name for your store. I also recommend that you use a different email address for your store. Finally, I recommend that you use a different payment processor for your store. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about how to use DSers without Shopify. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be back next week with another video.